Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ram Bharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohanagar, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to start my lecture 7. In this lecture, we will learn the following topics. Number first is the linear partial differential with constant coefficient of nth order. And second is homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. And third is CF and PI in some various form of the function. What do you mean by linear differential equation with constant coefficient of nth order? A linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficient is of the form a naught del to the power n z by del x to the power n plus a1 del to the power n z upon del x to the n minus 1 del y dot 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 a n del to the power n z upon del y to the power n plus b naught del to the power n minus 1 z upon del x to the power n minus 1 plus b1 del to the power n minus 1 z upon del x to the power n minus 2 del y plus dot 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 b n minus 1 del n minus del to the power n minus 1 z upon del y to the n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus c naught del z upon del x plus c1 del z of del y plus p naught into z is equal to f of xy. The equation first. If here the constant a naught, a1, an are constant, then this equation is known as the linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient, right? If in this equation we take capital D is equal to del over del x and capital D dash means derivative, partial derivative with respect to y, then the above equation becomes, this equation becomes in the form of d dash c z f of x y. F d dash c is a polynomial in d dash, right? The complete solution, the equation first and equation second are equivalent. This is the compact form of the equation first. Clear? The complete solution of the equation is z is equal to CF plus PI. CF means complementary functions and PI the particular integration. CF comes from LHS and PI comes from RHS. Clear? The linear partial differential equation is divided into two categories: linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient divided two cases. Case first, when f d dash is a homogeneous function, homogeneous function in d dash, that is a homogeneous function d comma d dash, that is it is of the form f d comma d dash is equal to a naught del to the power n z upon del x to the power n plus a1. That means differential equation contains this term a1 del to the power n z upon del x to the power n minus 1 del y dot 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 plus a n del to the power n z upon del y to the power n. That means this is also right as g a naught, this is d to the power n plus a1, this is d to the power n minus 1 d dash to the power 1 dot 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 a n d dash to the power n. In this equation each term have the equal degree. In this equation, each term have the same degree. Then such types of differential equation is called the homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Such type of the differential equation are called homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Clear? We will learn in this lecture detail. Because what? Case first, this is the case first, the homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. With constant coefficient, right? So this is the form of f d d dash z is equal to f c. So complete solution in this case is z is equal to cf plus pi. Clear? Z is equal to cf plus pi, where cf is the complementary function and pi is the particular integral. Now find the rules for cf. First of all, we find the auxiliary equation of this differential equation. Given differential equation first, f d comma d dash z is equal to f x y is obtained by putting d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. D dash is equal to 1 in the equation f d comma d dash is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Then auxiliary equation is f of m comma 1 is equal to 0. That means replace d by m and d dash by 1. So we get an equation of just like a naught m to the power m plus a1 m to the power n minus 1 dot 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 a n is equal to 0. This is the equation of degree n in m. So we get n roots. Suppose roots are m1, m2 dot 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 mn. There are two possibilities exists here. First is all roots are distinct. If all roots are distinct, then in this case CF is phi 1 y plus m1 x, phi 2 y plus m2 x and phi 3 y plus m3 x. If the roots m1 and m2, two roots m1 and m2 are same and other roots are distinct, then in this case the CF is phi 1 y plus m1 x plus here one root is two roots are same, then multiply second function by x, f2 y plus m1 x plus f3 y plus m3 x and so on. Clear? If three roots are same, suppose m1, m2, m3 are roots are same, then the CF phi 1, phi 2. Clear? This is phi 1. The CF is phi 1 y plus m1 x plus x phi 2 y plus m1 x and phi 3 y plus m1 x. Clear? Dot, dot, dot. So basically there are two cases here. Roots are distinct. Roots are distinct and some roots are repeated. roots are repeated. There are two cases here. Second, now we move the rules for finding pi. The given equation is f z comma f d comma d dash z is equal to f x y. Then pi of this is equal to 1 upon f d comma d dash f x y. 1 upon f d d dash is the operator. Clear? The pi are divided into three cases. Case first, when the f x y a function of ax plus by, that is, it may be the form of ax plus by to the power m, or it may be form of ax plus by, or it may be form of sin ax plus by, or it may be form of cos ax plus by. Then in this case, find the pi by short method. There are three steps. Step first, replace d by a and d dash by b in the f d comma d dash to get f a b. Condition is that provided f a b will not equal to 0. If f a b is equal to 0, then this root is fail. Then this rule is fail. Clear? Now, in step second, let ax plus by is equal to u and integrate fu n times, where n is the degree of the differential equation. Clear? With respect to u. Then pi is 1 upon f a b integration n times integration n times fu du, and last step third, at the last replace u by ax plus by. Clear? Now we learn this rule with the help of the example. Suppose this is the example. Before solving the linear differential equation with constant coefficient, first of all we will see the equation. Here the coefficients are constant. 1, this is the coefficient 1, there coefficient -7, coefficient 6. This is the and also see that this equation have the same degree in each term. So this is the homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. This is homogeneous linear differential equation, obviously partial differential equation. Clear? Differential equation with constant coefficient of degree degree 3, sorry of order 3. Clear? Now write the given equation into standard form. The given equation is dq, del q means dq minus 7 d dash square minus 6 d dash q into z is equal to sin x plus 2y plus e to the power 3x plus y. Clear? Now find, first of all we find auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is short, we write short in short AE. AE means auxiliary equation. Put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in f d comma d dash is equal to 0. So we get mq minus 7m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the cubic equation. So we find the value of m by hit and trial method. Put m is equal to 1. We check it, this is a solution or not. 1 minus 7 minus 6 will not equal to 0. It is not solution. It is not root. Clear? Now put m is equal to minus 1. We get minus 1 plus 7 minus 6 is equal to 0. It is the root. It is the root of this equation. Clear? So m plus 1 is the factor of this equation. Clear? So we write m plus 1 3 times because the equation is cubic. M plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiplying m square, we get mq plus m square minus mq plus m square, mq plus m square minus m square minus m, and minus 6. So m plus 1 take the common, we get m square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We can easily factorize it. The factor of this is m plus 2 m minus 3 is equal to 0. So we get root m is equal to minus 1 minus 2 and plus 3. All roots are distinct. So CF is equal to phi 1 y plus mx, that means minus x, mx, m is 1 x, plus phi 2 y plus m2x, m2 is minus 2, phi 3 y plus m3x, m3 is 3, y plus 3x. This is the CF, complementary function. Now find the particular integration. Pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash. This is the formula for pi. Sin x plus 2y plus e to the power 3x plus y, right? 1 upon fd. Fd is dq minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash q. This is the complete term, no? So this is sin x plus 2y and plus 1 upon dq minus 7 d dash square minus 6 d dash q e to the power 3x plus y. Let us take it to be p1 plus it take to p2. Now find p1. Say p1 is 1 upon dq minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash q. Clear? Sin x plus 2y. Clear? Here first of all we check this, replace d by 1, d by a is 1, here a is 1, right? And d dash by b is 2. This is the form of ax plus by, no? Right? A is 1, the coefficient of x and a is 1, here a is 1 and b is 2, right? So replace d by a, d dash by b, provided f d d dash will not equal to 0. So we put, then we get this is, find the calculation here, d dash means this, yani f 1 2 is equal to 1 minus 7 into d is 1, d dash is 2 and 2 is 4 minus 6, d dash q 2q 8. This is 1 minus 28 minus 48. This is minus 27 minus 48. That is minus 75. Clear? So this is minus 75. And here note that the order of the differential equation is 3. So we differentiate 3 times. 1 upon d. 1 upon d means integration 3 times with respect to x or with respect to y. There is a problem. With respect to x, then there is problem of y. With respect to y, there is problem with respect to x. So we take x plus y as a common variable. Suppose let it to be x plus 2y is equal to u. Then integrate 3 times. Clear? Integrate 3 times. Integrate 3 times with respect to u. This is sin u. Sin u du. Clear? ओके, इंटीग्रेशन आपको करना है ना यहाँ पे. विद रेस्पेक्ट टू डी क्यू माइनस 7 डी स्क्वायर दिस 1 अपॉन डी. 1 अपॉन डी मीन्स इंटीग्रेशन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. इंटीग्रेशन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. बट 1 अपॉन डी क्यू मीन्स 3 टाइम्स इंटीग्रेशन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. बट यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 अपॉन डी भी डी क्यू भी है एंड डी डैश क्यू भी है. तो आपको इंटीग्रेशन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करोगे तो देर प्रॉब्लम फॉर वी. अगर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू वाई करोगे देर प्रॉब्लम फॉर एक्स. सो नाउ removing this difficulty, let us take x plus 2y is equal to a common variable u. अब इसके साथ किसी को प्रॉब्लम दोगे ना तो u को प्रॉब्लम होगा ना v को प्रॉब्लम होगा. राइट? क्लियर? 1 upon 75. इंटीग्रेट 3 टाइम्स. इंटीग्रेट 3 टाइम्स विद रेस्पेक्ट टू u. नाउ वी इंटीग्रेट sin u. इंटीग्रेट sin u. Right? Integrate sin u with respect to u. This is minus cos u du and du. Right? अभी आपने इसको सॉल्व किया है ना, इसको. क्लियर? एंड अगेन इंटीग्रेट. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ माइनस cos u इज अगेन इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos u sin u du. Right? Integration of this minus plus become plus 1 upon 75. Integration of sin u again minus cos u. This is 1 upon 75 cos u. Replace u by x plus 2y. So therefore P1 is equal to minus 1 upon 75 cos u. The value of u is x plus 2y. Now find P2. P2 is the function is 1 upon P2 is 1 upon d q minus 7 d dash squared minus 6 d dash q plus q into e to the power 3x plus y. Right? So this is dq minus dq minus 7 d dash square minus 6 d dash q e to the power 3x plus y. Again this is the function of the form f of ax plus by. So replace d by here, replace d by a, here a is equal to 1 and replace d by a and d dash by b, b is 1. Then check the calculation, f 3 comma 1, that means d comma d dash, this is f d comma d dash is equal to dq minus 7 d dash squared minus 6 d dash q, 8, sorry, replace d by 3 is 27 minus 7 minus 6 into 6 into d dash is this is 3, 7 into 3 minus d dash 1, that means 27 minus 21 minus 6, this is 0. That means in this case rule is fail. So multiply x and differentiate denominator with respect to capital D, differentiate denominator with capital D. So this becomes capital D only, partial differentiate, multiply x, then differentiate denominator partially with respect to capital D. So this becomes 3d square minus 7d dash square, right? Differentiate partially with respect to d only, dq minus 7 d dash square minus 6 d dash q is equal to 3 d square minus 7 d dash square, clear? And this is 0, right? E to the power 3x plus y. Again we put, again check, again in this form our f d comma d dash is this. So 1 upon, replace d by 3, so this becomes 3 into 3 square minus 7 into d dash is equal to 1, e to the power 3x plus y. So this is x 9 minus 7, 27 minus 7 e to the power 3x plus y. This is x upon 20 e to the power 3x plus y. So pi is, so complete pi is equal to p1 plus p2. p1 is minus 1 upon 75 cos x plus 2y, and p2 is x upon 20 e to the power 3x plus y. This is the pi. Now complete solution of the equation, given equation is, complete solution is z is equal to cf plus pi. Cf means complementary function, which is phi 1 y minus x, phi 2 y minus 2x plus phi 3 y plus 3x, that is phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x plus phi 3 y plus 3x plus, pi is minus 1 upon 75 cos x plus 2y plus x upon 20 e to the power 3x plus y. This is the complete solution of the problem. Here complete solution is CF plus PI. Clearly we have seen that CF contains the arbitrary function and PI does not contain any arbitrary functions. Clear? Now, there are objective questions. Find the pi of this equation. This equation is homogeneous linear differentiable with constant coefficient because each term have the same degree. Clear? So, find the pi. Pi is 1 upon d square minus 2 dd dash plus d dash square e to the power x plus 2y, right? Pi. This is the form of e to the power ax plus by. So, by using the sort method, replace d by a. A means a1, here a is 1 and d dash is equal to 2. So, we get 1 upon d replaced by 1 minus 2 and d is 1, d dash is equal to 2 plus d dash square 4 e to the power x plus 2y. So, this is 4 to 4 cancel, 1 minus 4 plus 4 e to the power x plus 2y, this is the cancel. So, e to the power x plus 2y, pi is x to the e to the power x plus 2y. So, option B is correct. Solution of the equations. Find the solution of the equation. This equation again a homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So, first of all find the solution. First of all we find the roots of auxiliary equation. So, auxiliary equation is replace dy m and d dash y 1. We get mq plus m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. M square is common from this term. So, take minus 1 common, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Take m plus 1 common from this, m plus 1 common, m square minus 1 is equal to 0, m plus 1 and factorize this m square minus 1 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So, whose factor is m plus 1, m minus 1 is equal to 0. So, we get m is equal to roots, m is equal to plus 1 and from this m is equal to minus 1, from this m is equal to minus 1. So, here one root is 1 and two roots are minus 1. Here two roots are repeated. So, CF in this case is phi 1 y plus mx, m1 means 1 plus phi 2 y plus m2x, m2 is minus 1 to m2x plus multiply by x because two roots are repeated, m3 y minus x, and pi of this equation, pi is equal to 0 because RHS is equal to 0. So, pi is equal to 0. So, complete solution z is equal to CF plus pi. That means this is the solution. Phi 1 y plus x plus phi 2 y minus x plus x phi 3 y minus x. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3 arbitrary functions. So, option B is correct. F1 y plus x plus F2 y minus x plus x y minus x. Option B is correct. Clear? Now, this is the most important problem here. The value of RST. जनरली क्या होता है, बच्चे ना आर की वैल्यू बता नहीं पाते, आर एस टी भूल जाते हैं. आर क्या होता है, आर होता है आपका डेल स्क्वायर जेड ओवर डेल एक्स स्क्वायर. क्लियर? एंड एस इज डेल स्क्वायर जेड ओवर डेल एक्स डेल वाई एंड टी इज डेल स्क्वायर जेड ओवर डेल वाई स्क्वायर. सो दिस इक्वेशन becomes del square z over del x square plus 6 del square z over del x del y plus 9 del square z over del y square, right, equal to 0. Again we have d is equal to del over del x and d dash is equal to del over del y. So this again becomes d square plus 6 d dash plus 9 d dash square is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation, homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Clear? So for finding the solution, first of all we find the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation in this case, auxiliary equation is put m is equal to, sorry, d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. So we get m square plus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the perfect square of m plus 3, right, is equal to 0. So we get two roots, m minus 3 minus 3. Both roots are repeated. So CF in this case, CF is phi 1 y plus mx 3x multiplied by x phi 2 y minus 3x, right, and pi in this case is equal to 0 because in this case RHS is equal to 0. So complete solution z is equal to CF plus pi, CF plus pi, right. So option y minus 3x, phi 1 phi 2 are the arbitrary functions in this problem. Phi 1 phi 2, f1 f2 are arbitrary functions हैं. So that means f1 y minus 3x is x y minus 3x. This is the option. In this both functions are same, f1 f2. This is not. Here y plus 3x, y minus 3 is not. This is the correct option. Option C is correct. Okay, thank you.